Duobo is the world's first simultaneous extraction of 2 coffee capsules machine, allowing convenient blending without complex processes by using 2 capsules for extraction. You can use any brand of original size capsules. With Duobo's unique layer extraction method, precise temperature and pressure control, you have the power to craft your very own distinctive blended coffee flavors. And guess what? You can do it all from the convenience of your smartphone app. Now let's talk about Duobo's impressive screen. This large display not only enhances your brewing experience, but also provides entertainment and valuable information while you wait. With Duobo, you can unleash your creativity and indulge in the world of unique coffee blends. So go ahead and make your own personal coffee with Duobo's 2 capsule and 2 shot layer blending technique. Duobo, your gateway to endless coffee possibilities.
Introducing Super Getto from JML, the adjustable 3-in-1 kitchen sink power booster. Super Getto's 3 spray settings give you the power and versatility to wash, spray and rinse away dirt and grime from your plates, cookware and food. Plus, Super Getto's super swivel design gives you incredible flexibility to wash away the soap suds, dirt and grime from your sink. Simply twist it onto your kitchen tap and you're set to jet wash your pots and pans, vegetables and salads, and so much more. Low water pressure makes it difficult to clean anything, and rinsing your sink can be a messy pain and takes such a long time. But with Super Getto, you can get just as much power and performance as you can get from the modern expensive kitchen faucets. With Super Getto, you can save time and effort. Quickly and easily rinse the sink without using detergents or chemicals. Washing your pots and pans has never been easier. It even makes light work of cleaning out glass jars and recyclable packaging. And it's great for washing off the dirt and muck from your fresh garden vegetables and salads. It's time to upgrade the power in your kitchen sink so you can wash, spray and rinse away with the powerful 3-in-1 Super Getto from JML.